In a world where the ground never thaws, the ancient ice holds secrets of the past. "Why do you stay frozen?" asked the curious wind. "I preserve the stories of time," whispered the permafrost. Beneath its icy surface, life thrived in unexpected ways. Tiny creatures adapted, finding warmth in the cold. "We are resilient," they chirped. The permafrost taught them patience and endurance. As the sun rose, it reminded them of the strength in stillness. "Embrace your roots," it echoed. The world learned that even in the harshest conditions, life finds a way. Like, comment, and subscribe for more inspiring stories.